Money Pit!
Hey, it's Tom Kreitler from the Money Pit, and we're going to replace the driveway here in my own money pit. So I thought I'd give you a couple of tips about this project in case it's something you want to do yourself. Now, first of all, there's three ways to update a driveway. The first way is just to seal coat the driveway. That's kind of like applying a coat of paint. It looks good cosmetically, it does protect the surface, but it really doesn't do anything to try to stop the cracks from getting worse, or if the driveway is uneven, that is not going to have any effect on it. Now, the second way to do this is to do what's called a top coat, and that's when they put about 1 inch of asphalt on top of your existing driveway. Now, that gives you a little more control in terms of being able to seal in some low spots and cover over some cracks and that kind of thing. But if your driveway is structurally not sound, if there's big dips and puddles and cracks in it, that's not going to fix it. Today, what we're going to do here is we're going to completely tear out this driveway and put one in from scratch. I hired a contractor. What they're going to do is tear up the asphalt. They're going to dig out the sand and stone beneath it. They're going to put about 6 inches of gravel in. Then they're going to put about 3 inches of asphalt, and we should be good to go within just a few hours.